Today we are looking at 3 novel ways to cut back the waste we produce by repairing, reusing, and recycling. Did you know that it takes 3 to 4 tons of nitrogen-rich substrate to grow a ton of mushrooms? There's a lot of it. Over 3.5 million tons are generated in Europe every year. What happens to that once the last mushroom's been picked? Recycling is a key battleground in combating climate change, but how can we sort through everything to reclaim what can be reused? Currently, metals like aluminium, gold, silver, and zinc can't be economically recovered from mixed recycling. Most recyclers do not have a sustainable solution for the separation and recovery of these valuable resources. So how can that change? And then there's industrial plastic. In Europe, 1.9 billion items like plastic crates and pallets are used by transport companies, and there are more than 20 billion plastic bins used on our city streets. When any of these break, they're thrown away. Billions of wasted items every year. What if they could be repaired cheaply and effectively and then be reused?